Introducing a remarkable two-story chapel located at 6368 US 51 Highway, North Millington, Tennessee. This beautifully maintained property is perfect for those seeking a space for religious services, community events, and educational activities. Each level features multiple classrooms, alongside a spacious gathering area, ideal for meetings and social events. The grounds include a modern kitchen, facilitating meal preparations for any occasion. Spanning 4 acres, there's ample parking for all your visitors and congregation members. Freshly updated with new flooring and paint, this building is move-in ready, inviting a seamless transition for its new owners. A truly unique offering, this property awaits to bring your community and aspirations to life. Contact TINA ANDRADE at 901-502-0762 for a tour.